Drones plus Soar. Soar is a great way to publicize your drone imagery and the files that you create. Oftentimes, drone providers, drone service providers, DSPs, will take a bunch of large pictures, a lot of large JPEGs, and stitch them all together into what we call an ortho photo. It's kind of a mosaic, a very large image with really high resolution. One of the products that drone service providers provide to their clients, right? So as a way to publicize this, it's great to get it up online, but they're often very large files, and this can be troublesome. Soar handles it, no problem. Not sure how, but it's a great way to get these large files up. I've done this myself. I will zoom to the file that I uploaded up in the north of Boston, Massachusetts. I did this 300-acre project with my drone and created this large ortho photo of all these trees so I could assess the tree health, right? So that is, an example of I'm able to upload this, link things to it. It's a great way to host these large files. People are doing it on Soar, more than me. Here's an example of a person doing drone work in north of Perth in Australia. Here's an image from Aiden holding Gum Blossom Park elevations, right? So taking some shots there. And this gentleman has put up 96 maps. 96 of his drone projects are up in Soar. And what a great portfolio piece, right? He uploads them to Soar. He can click on any of these images, right? Ross Lair Park. And information about it. He could put in links and get lots of great information out there to the world, right, for free on Soar with his regular account. Great way to for marketing purposes and to show people what he's done and deliver things to clients and just increase the world's knowledge. So that's a great way to use Soar if you're a drone provider as a platform, an inexpensive or next to nothing platform for you to put your stuff up, have a link to it. It sits up there and is ready for you for however you want to use it. So drone people, use Soar.